Are you planning a trip to Slovakia and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? And you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Slovakia in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you are interested. Links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for Slovakia is Maya Mobile. If you're looking for cheap and flexible plans, Maya is a strong pick. For Slovakia, the options start with 5GB at $8.09, valid for 10 days. There's also 10GB for $11.69 and 20GB for $17.09, each again valid for 10 days. If you need even more, Maya offers 40GB for $29.69 or an unlimited data plan for $19.79, all valid 10 days. Everything is 5G ready and activates instantly. Maya has solid coverage and a clean website. Just pick your destination, pay, and you're connected. There's no app involved, and if you use the link in the description, you'll see a 10% discount automatically applied at checkout. Now, if you already tried Maya and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you didn't like the options they offer, then I would recommend Airalo. I've tried it myself and they are great. If speed and simplicity matter most, Airalo's plans offer great value. For Slovakia, the options start with 1GB for $4.50, valid for 7 days. There's also 2GB for $6.50, valid for 15 days, and 3GB for $7.50, valid for 30 days. For heavier data users, you can grab 5GB for $10, 10GB for $16, or 20GB for $24, each with a full 30-day validity. The app is super simple to use. Once you buy a plan, you get a QR code instantly and you're good to go. If you ever need more data, you can top up right from the app. And if you use the link in the description, you'll get that same 10% discount. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. When you click the link in the description, it will take you to Maya's homepage. From there, just type Slovakia into the destination search bar. You'll see a list of available plans. Choose the one that fits your needs. At checkout, you'll see the 10% discount automatically applied on the screen. Once you complete the payment, you'll get a QR code instantly. Just scan it with your phone and your eSIM will be activated and ready to use in minutes. So, which one should you choose? Airalo or Maya Mobile? If you want the best overall deal, especially for short stays or mid to heavy data usage, Maya Mobile takes the top spot. The prices are lower and the speeds are great. But if you're looking for a very small data bundles or need a full 30-day validity, Airalo is an excellent alternative with the convenience of an easy top-ups through the app. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Slovakia in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.